In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to showcase case studies on WordPress.com. This process will guide you through each step needed to feature your work prominently, starting with accessing your WordPress account and concluding with showcasing your completed projects. Let's dive in. First, head over to the WordPress website. The quickest way is through a search engine like Google. Simply type WordPress.com login into the search bar and press Enter. The first entry you see should be WordPress.com, which is where you'll log in. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the login page. If you don't have a WordPress account, now is a great time to set one up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard, which acts as the command center for your site. Next, you need to access the Plugins section. This is the part where you'll be incorporating the functionality required to display your case studies. Go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Plugins, then proceed to Add New. This section allows you to search for plugins that best match your needs. In the search bar provided, type in Case Studies. Finding a suitable plugin is crucial because it determines how easily you can manage and display your case studies on your site. Once you locate a plugin that fits your requirements, click on Install Now. If by chance you've already installed a suitable plugin, you'll just need to click Activate to enable it for use. After the plugin is active, locate the portfolio grid within your dashboard. This tool helps you organize how the case studies will appear to your audience. It's time to create a new portfolio entry. You'll want to click on Add New Portfolio. This is your opportunity to get creative and customize each entry to fully reflect the depth of each case study you intend to feature. It starts by giving your portfolio entry a descriptive title that encapsulates the essence of the case study. In addition to the title, you'll also want to add a compelling image that best represents your work. Make sure the image is clear and engaging, as it will serve as the first visual piece that captures the attention of your audience. This part is crucial because a good visual can effectively draw people into reading more about your case. Once you've added your desired content and image, it's time to make your work live. Head over to the top right corner and press the Publish button. And there you have it. Your first case study is now showcased on your WordPress site, ready for the world to see. Remember, the key to a fantastic case study showcase is not just in the content, but also in how inviting and accessible you make it. Regularly update and tweak the visuals as necessary to keep your content fresh and engaging. With these steps, you've successfully integrated case studies into your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your hard work.